Do you know many people are having trouble with non-responsive keys on their ThinkPad E540? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Power down. Power down your ThinkPad E540. Disconnect from power and remove all cables. Wait for a few minutes for the system to cool. Step 2. Remove battery. Carefully flip the computer, remove the battery from its compartment, and locate the screws underneath the keyboard frame. Step 3. Loosen screws. Loosen the screws below the keyboard frame and then flip the computer back over, opening the display carefully. Step 4. Detach keyboard. Lift the keyboard gently to access and carefully detach the connectors below it for checking. Step 5. Reconnect and secure. Reconnect the keyboard connectors, realign it, and secure by tightening the loosened screws. By following these steps, you should now have restored functionality to your keyboard. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Lenovo users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.